Uh, this is our assembled components of our project IoT based automatic vehicle accident detection and rescue system. Firstly, we will discuss about the existing system and proposed system. The existing system only use the information about the distance between two vehicles provided by ultrasonic system and does not explicitly knows the speed. And the traffic hazards and the accident take place frequently, which cause the huge loss of life. It has low reliability and power control systems. To overcome this, our proposed system comes into the picture. Our project work on the principle of detection and tracking of accident. Whenever the accident occurs, the vehicle change its direction randomly and subjected to sudden break in the speed. Here, the accelerometer sensor detects the accident and sends the accident alert information to the rescue team, and location of accident take place through GPS location. It can facilitate connectivity to nearest hospital and provide medical assistance through IoT technology. Uh, let's uh, let's come to the hardware components. Here is the LED, and it is the buzzer. It is the yeah, ID33V integrated chip. These are the capacitors, and this is the rectifier circuit, and it is the reset button. It's a preset. This is the crystal oscillator. This is 7805 regulator. This is an accelerometer ADXL335 accelerometer sensor. This is an Wi-Fi ESP8266 modem. This is an Atmega microcontroller, Atmega 328P. It is a Max 232 integrated circuit. This is the 16x2 LCD display. This is the SIM 808 module. It is a GSM antenna, and this wire is an GPS antenna. This is the hardware requirements of our project. Before giving the power supply, this is our project. Okay. After giving the power supply, you can switch on the light. It will display the IoT base, our project title, and it is connecting to GSM. Here we placing the valid SIM card here. After placing the valid SIM card in GSM model, it is connected. GSM is connected in the display shown. After it GSM is connected, it is waiting for user call. We have to make a call. To which we insert the SIM in the GSM module, and it will display the receiving call from number. Yeah, once we had tried this. So the display will shows number and sending SMS. The acknowledged message is sent to the concerned person, and the message is this message is configured as user. So here is the message we received. Wait, we will see the acknowledgement message. After the acknowledgement message, it will monitoring the position, what is happening in this kit. I now simply take the kit and suddenly move left or right, it will detect the accident. See, the buzzer will on. See the accident. Here the alert message will come. Alert accident detect. After the alert accident detect will come, it will show an it will share an Google Map link. Once we click on that, it will show the latitude and longitude values. Where the accident occurred. See, here the accident occurred, the red arrow. So this is the output of our project, and finally we conclude that the IoT based smart system which may help decrease the number of deaths by accident. Our provider system has many advantages over the traditional systems, and reliability and maintenance of this system are robust. The system is available and the function of throughout the day. The reason behind it, the robustness is continuous alert and notification of an IoT device. And future coming to a future scope, this system can be interfaced with vehicle airbag system that prevents vehicle occupants of striking interior objects such as steering wheels or window. This can also be developed by interchanging a camera to controller module that makes the take photograph of accident spot that makes tracking easier. Thank you.